What's up, YouTube? So I'm at the gas station filling up for my first job. Two jobs today. The first job's a small job. I just kind of wanted to show you what I do every day, and hopefully I can get this camera to be stable so I can use my other hand. Here we go. Bear with me. All right. Can you see it? So first off, I go to my app here that tracks my miles. It's a Stride app. I go ahead and hit start tracking your miles. So all the driving I do today while I'm working, it's going to track them for me. Then I go over to my program here. I let the customer know I'm on my way. So it sends them a text, lets them know I'm on my way. By the way, they love that. Then I go over here to maps. And then I hit start. And now it's going to tell me where to go. Alright, so I do that every morning. Okay, so there we go. I know how to get around here, but it's a little out of a couple towns away, so always helps. Love maps, but trust me, don't always trust maps, because maps will get you lost. It's had me go about an hour and a half out of the way sometimes. But all right, well, heading out to my first job, like I said. Stay tuned. All right, so we're here at the second job. I didn't get any footage of the first job because it was really just one bedroom deal, and it was kind of really, it was a pretty shady place. I mean, I got to just be honest. So I just kind of want to get out of there as quick as I can. But everything went fine. So we're at our second house now, and it is a repeat customer. I did this probably around 6 months ago. Last time I was here by myself, and today I got a helper doing some pre-vacuuming right now. So this is the Berber carpet. The carpets look great as far as compared to what they looked like last time I was here. I really made a big difference in it, but they've been maintaining it well. Other than, you got your normal traffic areas there, which will make look pretty again. We got a few little spots here. I'm not sure if they have a pet or not, but I think those are pet. And I'm going to treat that with 20 volume. And I noticed a stain here, and I'm thinking that's probably coffee. So I'm gonna treat that also. We're gonna use carpet detail for this job. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and pre-spray, do some agitation, and extract. A lot of carpet here. A little soiled right in here around the coffee table or the dining room table. Get some lights going. So the customer was really pleased with the job I did last time, and so she read around there. So she called me back, and that's what it's all about. Returning customers, turning your customers into clients. That's what's going to keep you in business, and that's basically the model I've been shooting for, and it seems to be working out pretty good. Being my first full-time year, about 2 months, I'll be my first full-time year all the way around. So, yeah, life of a business owner can be a little stressful, but so rewarding at the same time. So, all right, stay tuned. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and hit some of these pet stains. When you spray your 20 volume down, hit the area and kind of mist out. Right, so you don't have any kind of spots that if it's going to lighten up, it's not just in one spot. It kind of spreads out and you won't be able to see it. So this is 20 volume peroxide. This is my organic stain treatment product. And you can see how it just disappears it on contact. There's not too many stains like that in here, but I do want to see how it works. See what it does to this. Alright, so that's organic. See how it took care of that? It's probably coffee. Probably didn't have any creamers with artificial colors in it. A lot of times coffee is harder to get out, but it depends on the decaffeinated. If it's decaffeinated, it usually has artificial coloring in it. So you have to use a different product. So they like their coffee caffeinated. I don't blame them. So isn't that crazy? 20 volume peroxide. If you're not a cleaner, you should have that underneath your sink anyway. Amazing, isn't it?
Amazing.
All right, we're gonna pre-spray now and go ahead and get to cleaning. Alright, so I pre-sprayed the whole house. With carpet detail, even if it does dry, it'll reactivate as soon as I start extracting. And as you can tell, Aaron already did CRB in this room using the multi-wash, and yeah, it comes out good. Looks great already. On here. Yeah, it's going to turn out beautiful. Got those side brushes on there. It's just for a little extra coverage. So, as you can tell, it looks so clean already. If you wanted to do true and cap, you can just leave it like this, wait till it dries, and then vacuum it up, and you're gonna have clean carpet. But that's not my process. I always do a extraction, rinse, you know. But that's what encapsulation is basically, and carpet detail is an encapsulator also. So multi-uses. Sounds like I'm sales rep from carpet detail. I'm not. If I was talking about another encapsulator, I would be saying the same thing. All right, I want to pull the vacuum out and start extracting. One hand. Alright, so that cocker stain is totally gone, as you can tell. So I put these under there so that we don't get any color transfer. Alright. Alright, all finished up. Looks beautiful. It's like brand new carpet. I know the customers are going to be happy. They were happy last time. They're going to be happy this time. So I'm going to go turn off everything. Lights and stuff. Find these lights. Yeah, so carpets came out great. Like I said, I used carpet detail. We did agitation with the multi-wash. Extracted. Did a good, a lot of dry passes, you know. Make sure you get dry passes on river carpets. And make sure, if you can, not always, just do a back stroke on your solution. Just one pass with the solution. Only if you're using an encapsulation type of cleaner. But if you're using some soap base, yeah, you need to rinse it really well. But in my case, carpet detail, one pass, because you just don't want to leave these carpets wet, because then when it dries, you're going to see areas. And it's really easy to fix, but you have to come back out. So, little tricks of the trade, knowing what carpets, how temperamental some of these carpets are. And yeah, Last job for today. Was a good day. And we're out of here. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment like always. And we'll see you in the next video. Nice.